Want to know how your emotions can either bring you profit or leave you penniless? You won't believe it, but there's a whole set of emotional stages that all traders go through, from beginners to professionals. Want to learn how this knowledge can help you not only save your money but also earn, or maybe even predict when it's best to exit or enter the market? Hey there! I'm Eva. Today I want to share with you a secret that helps understand these fluctuations and how to profit from them. The psychology of market cycles is like a treasure map that shows you when to act so you don't miss your chance. Today we'll break down 14 stages that every trader goes through, from the first hope to complete capitulation. I'll show you how these stages help make the right decisions, save money and even earn when everyone around is panicking. And of course, I'll reveal at which stage it's best to look in profits, so you don't lose your hard-earned money. Ready? Let's go! What is a market cycle and how does it control our emotions? Imagine a roller coaster, the steepest and fastest one you've ever ridden. Remember that feeling, first the climb. Your heart stops in anticipation, you're excited but still a bit nervous. And then suddenly, boom, you're flying down, hands up, adrenaline rushing with a slight fear inside. But when it's all over, you're ready to queue up again because who would refuse another round? It's exactly the same with the market. First, we rejoice at rising prices, then euphoria takes over, and then comes the fear of falling. And every trader, yes, literally everyone, experiences this emotional ride again and again. Only this time, instead of a still structure, it's a price chart. And instead of screaming "wee," it's internal dialogues like, well, just a bit more and I'll sell. No, I'll wait a bit longer. Or, oh, I should have sold earlier, now I'll have to hold till the bitter end. Did you know that such emotional swings can be the cause of both huge profits and serious losses? Understanding these stages is the key to making timely decisions and not getting caught by your own emotions. Because the cryptocurrency market is like the craziest roller coaster, only you can't jump off in the middle of the ride. So buckle up tight and let's figure out how to ride this attraction with maximum benefit. What do you think about the importance of understanding market psychology? Have you experienced these emotional stages in your trading journey? Share your thoughts in the comments. In our next video, we'll dive into the first stages of the market cycle. You won't want to miss it. Subscribe and hit that notification bell to catch part 2 of our series on market psychology cycles.